Most people fish streamers by throwing them in some direction of the current and stripping them back, making it look like a fleeing bait fish or a leech or something. But sometimes a dead drifted streamer works really well. And you can do this just fine by throwing your streamer upstream and just stripping in line, just enough line to keep up with the current, but not actually moving the fly. But there's an easy way to do it, and that's to hang a streamer under an indicator. So you just put an indicator above your streamer, you figure out the depth you need, and you want to get about 1.5 times the water depth below your indicator. And you put a streamer on the end, you put an indicator on your line, and then you fish the streamer dead drift. It might look like a dead minnow, dead leech, might look like a crippled minnow, might look like a big stonefly nymph or something, but it can be very, very effective. There's a fish on the dead drifted streamer. Not a giant. Oh yeah! Woo! Dead drifted streamer.